Now, I'll be teaching you how to make your paper performers. First, print out the empty template and cut it. Once you're done, use a pencil or a pen to draw the line art. After you've finished your line art, color it in using color pencils or markers. Now that we've finished coloring, we can get some double-sided tape. Tape it onto this extra flap over here. And the last part will be to roll up the paper doll, taping one end to the other side. And now you've finished your first paper performer. Feel free to create your own designs and have fun while you're doing it. Here are some other examples.